Good morning, third graders. Today is Figurative Friday. Please remember, figurative language uses words and expressions to have a greater impact on the reader. Today, after you type your name and choose your teacher, we are going to read a short poem called Looking Forward by Robert Louis Stevenson and answer a couple of questions. Looking Forward by Robert Louis Stevenson. When I am grown to man's estate, I shall be very proud and great, and tell the other girls and boys not to meddle with my toys. So, the first question that we are going to answer today is, from whose point of view is the poem told? Is it from the point of view of a young girl, a young boy, a man, or a woman? Now, if we come back up and look at it, we can see in the first line of the poem that it says, when I am grown to man's estate. So, think about when somebody is grown. If they grow into a man, what would they be when they were younger? So, whose point of view is this poem told? The last question says, what is meant by the last line of the poem? So, let's go back and look at the last line of the poem, not to meddle with my toys. So, if the speaker is telling the other girls and boys not to meddle with their toys, what does the speaker mean? He wants them to play with the speaker's toys, to not steal the speaker's toys, to let other people borrow the speaker's toys, or to leave the speaker's toys alone. What does that mean if the speaker is telling them not to meddle with the toys? After you've answered those two questions, go ahead and submit your answers and have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend.